Welcome to our summer interview. We are lucky we have beautiful weather, and I'm happy to have Marco and Felix here. And maybe we start with a short introduction of yourself and why you are here today.
My name is Marco Müllender. I'm the product manager of the alphaJET so far. So I will take over the technical department for projects, and that's why my successor is standing right next to us.
Yes, like Marco said, I'm the new successor of him. So I'm the new product manager for our inkjet systems.
Felix, when you started in the company, what were your first touch points with the alphaJET5X, our new system, which we would like to introduce soon to the market? What was your first impression, maybe?
Yes, like you see, the completely new design. So here you can see round corners or the black screen with stainless steel. It looks very cool.
So when we go into the design, which honestly looks pretty cool and I really like it, and I know you were thinking a lot about the design and why to have that kind of design. Maybe you could give us, Marco, a short summary about the process and why you at the end came up with that kind of design.
Yes, indeed. So we had a clear vision about the next design, and we're now announcing a total new corporate design for our printers with this printer generation right now, the alphaJET5X. So we had the vision of having a total smooth surface without any buttons, without any knobs or anything else that could lead to waste and pollution collecting around corners and edges. So when you look at it, you have a stainless steel housing, very smooth, very flat. You have a glass screen with protection glass, so the glass surface is protected against any damage, so that you can go into industries, also like food industries as well, without any worries. And so all of these plates and all of these shapes are made that you can wash this printer down with high pressure washers or anything else, and it gets totally dry and it's totally clean. And when you look at the printer, you will see some similarities. We took some examples in the smartphone markets, because everyone uses smartphones. It's easily to use, it's easily to operate with, and so that's why we are here.
So a lot of, let's say, brilliant thoughts behind just a beautiful design. It's really about, cleaning, washing, is it reliable, is it industry based, and should still look, and I see it, should still look like a modern tool we all knew. And that leads me to the next thing, because I know there's a new HMI in it, and maybe Felix, I ask you, when you started using that HMI, because for you that HMI was really quite new, how did you do it? Was it hard? Was it easy? Did you get easily into it? What were your experience using that new HMI?
My first experience was, it's really like a smartphone, so it's very easy to get a new text or learn the machine. So, but if you want, I can show how easy it is.
Yeah, great.
So first, that's our new home screen. Mm-hmm. So you see here the label editor, the ink status, or other status. So we can edit a new text if you want. Mm-hmm. So only you have to double tap here. So you come into edit menu, you create here a new text, static text, only click here, and then you have to check it, and that's all.
Okay, that is easy. So looking now, let's say we had a first look on the design. We now have seen how great that new HMI is, but what's also, I think, very interesting for our viewers is what's inside the print.
Well, we started to have the best components for the new alphaJET series inside, with the highest quality we could get in the markets from our suppliers. So looking at the new pumps, the new valves, looking at all the filters and all the parts of the ink system and electronics, we have now the most robust printer we ever had, and we are very lucky to get these parts, to use them, and we have also tested them in several tests right now. So and that's a really good feeling to have the very robust long-running printer, long maintenance intervals, less default rates at the customers. So that was our target to achieve.
I know that for product managers, a market launch is always, the highest goal and a big milestone. And I know that you both are excited and happy that we started now with this interview. And what really I think is interesting is how you feel about what the market might be saying, or the salespeople. And I think because it's really a nice story they told me already, how you tested it. Marco, maybe you should give us an insight how you did it this time. Yeah.
Yes, of course. I can talk a little bit out of detail. When we tested, or we started the tests, we had a focus on the car and automobile industries. So when they first build up cars, they have these pre-test cars and that drive around, these black ones with the gray shapes over there. So, and that's what we are doing right now with the alphaJET. For over 1 year, we have 200 test printers in the market, standing at certain customers that are involved within the development process, and we get direct feedback from them, which is pretty cool. And what shall I say? They love it. It's totally insane, and so that's why I'm really happy to get this printer to the market and to announce the market launch right now.
Such a great story, really. It's pretty cool. So guys, wonderful printer, which you perfectly introduced. So I would like to say thank you to you for being here, for letting us know how the process went and how it's going on. And till next time. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Sandra.
you, Sandra.